Learn this upgraded tip to sew your bust caging and to flesh it with your fiber. At the end of this tutorial, you will know how to sew a bustier caging and to flesh it. So what you do is you mark your under bust like so. So after you mark your under bust, so you measure your bust point, that is your nipple to nipple, then you go out by 4.5 inches or 4 inches. Okay, so after you mark it to the other side of your bustier. So after you mark it, so I will just mark the upper parts. Okay, so I'll just come down by 1 inch from the neckline, because we don't want the bust cage to go into our neckline, because we are going to sew it to our fabric. Okay, so I'll mark it like so. So I'll bring my French cord, connect it. Okay, so I'll connect it like so. I'll connect it like so all the way to my under bust. So you do the same to the other side of your bustier. So check out my bustier tutorial on the in the description if you want to learn how to sew a princess dart bustier. Okay, so I'm going to mark 1 inch. After you mark the midpoint, then you mark 1 inch on both sides of the midpoint like so. So you use your French cuff to connect it to the 1 inch marking before the neckline. So you connect it to your side bustier like so. Okay, you do the same to the other side. So please like this tutorial and share this tutorial so that others can see and learn from this helpful tutorial. And mind you, this is an upgraded tips to sew your bustier caging and to flesh it with your fiber. Okay, so make sure that you have fiber, because fiber is easy to get. You can get it online. Okay, so I'll mark it like so. So I will go out from my bust point by 1 inch. I'll mark a line like so, and I will connect it like so. Okay, we are making an horizontal line. Okay, so you can extend it to the bustier, to the side bust. You extend it to the other side bust again. So this is me extending it. Okay, so this is my boning. So make sure that you use a just an ½ inch boning, so that you can be able to it be flexible, and you can be able to turn it when you are sewing your boning on your bustier. So you place your boning at that center front like so. You start sewing it. So make sure that you are sewing it slowly, carefully. Okay, you sew it all the way down like so. So after you sew it, you turn it and cut it. You turn it, then you start sewing it. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and you can just comment it is helpful in the comment section, so I'll know that this tutorial was helpful. So if you have any question, you can ask. I'll answer it in the comment section. Okay, so after we have already sewn one part of the bustier, it's already curving out. So I will do the same to the other side of my bustier. So I'm sewing the boning. So you can cut the boning so it can be easy for you to navigate it. Okay, so make sure that you sew slowly. So I'm sewing it. I will do the same to the other side. So after you sew one side, you sew the other end. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and share this tutorial so that others can see and learn from this amazing tutorial. Okay, so I'm making another horizontal curve above the under bust. Okay, I'm making another curve. So I'm going to put my boning at that bust point. I'm going to sew an horizontal line. Okay, so this is me sewing it across the bust point. So you will follow the direction of your boning, the curve. See how it is curved. So you follow that direction and sew it like so. So I'm already sewing it. Okay, so I'll go off camera and sew the remaining part. So after you sew the horizontal, you keep on sewing it till you get your desired bust caging. Okay, so I'll just flip it to the other side and sew it. So this tutorial is very easy. It's very easy to sew your bust caging. So easy. Okay, So let me know if you will try out this tutorial, this bust caging, this upgraded bust caging. Let me know if you will try it out. So you can check the description below for the chapters. You can be able to easily navigate this tutorial. I've sewn this bust caging, so you see the outcome is so beautiful. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to use our fiber. See my fiber. So I'm going to cut my fiber to the amount that will make me flesh the bustier. So I'll cut the fiber like so. So after cutting the fiber, I will bring in my hemming gum because I need this fiber to stick to my bustier, caging. Okay, so I will place the hemming gum at the bust point like so, at the center front of my bustier. So I will now place the fiber on the hemming gum. Okay, so after you place the fiber on the hemming gum, you will now bring your iron, your hot iron, to press it. Okay, after you press the hot iron on the hemming gum, the fiber sticks to the bust caging like so, to the fabric, so it will stick there. Okay, so make sure that the iron is hot enough to stick the fiber to the bustier without it not burning. Okay, so that's how you are going to press it till the fiber stick to your bustier comfortably. Okay, so you press it all round like so. So please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get you notified when we are posting our new tutorial. So you can also comment helpful in the comment section if you find this tutorial helpful, and ask question, I'll answer you. So if you want to get, if you not see your fiber and you want to get your fiber, you can ask where you can get your fiber in the comment section. I will tell you where to get your own fiber. Okay, this is the upgraded version to flesh your bust caging, and you need to learn you need to learn these tips. This is what all these big designers used to pad their client bustier, and you need to learn it. Okay, so after you have already fleshed your bustier, you will cut out any excess fiber like so. You cut it out. So after you cut it out, we are going to use our Haystay to close up our fiber. Okay, so you place your Haystay, the gummable side, to the fiber, then you use your hot iron to press it comfortably. Okay, so this makes our bust caging to be neat inside. Okay, it helps make the work neat. Okay, so that when your clients wear this bustier dress or top, the boning will not be choking them. Okay, it will help cushion the effect of the boning. Okay, so this is so helpful. So please try let me know if you will try this out in your next sewing project. So after you sew, you are going to iron the front side of your bustier. So check out the tutorial of how to draft an exaggerated A-line dress coming up at the end of this tutorial.